Hello everyone. So our next topic is all about HTML emoji example. Like it is very simple only. The number is here. From the Google or from w3schools.com, you will find this code also. Ampersand hashtag 1285, and then you have to change the number. This last two digits will show you the variation also. 1 2. So if I write something like this, Control S. Okay, so we are getting this type of emoji. Okay, now suppose if I change to 1 2, 1 5 or 1 3 1 4 1 5, any number actually, 1 5, so we will get something else. Then maybe 2 0. Okay, Control S. See, something like this. Maybe 3 0, or any number you can write actually. See, we are getting. So this is how you can add HTML emojis, okay, by using this code or number actually, 45 or something like this. So it will be obviously different, okay. So if you want, you can use the emoji also for your HTML website. Thank you, everyone.